You are going to give me a copy of this.
Okay. No problem.
My film.
You're famous now. You're famous teacher.
On YouTube.
YouTube, someone told it was there. When I searched, nothing I cannot find. In the past 2-3 years before, one student told he uploaded YouTube. When I searched, I cannot find.
يا أخي بيصور يا.
Okay, let us come to this. Shabab. What is this experiment? What is the name of this experiment?
نشوف.
Temperature dependence of resistance. Please. Maintain silence.
Shabab.
See, from period 4, I am shouting continuously. I did not take my lunch. I'm feeling too much.
Okay, come with me to take your lunch.
First, we have finished the class.
After that, you give me a plus.
To come.
سلام.
ما صورنا عيال.
ليتني صورتك يا أخي.
Okay. And two-part Shabab.
عيال خليه يشرح عيال.
This experiment had two parts. It is very lengthy to do this experiment. In the exam, it is difficult to complete this experiment in 50 minutes. Therefore, I am not going to ask you to do the two parts. I am going to ask only one part. The first part or second part. If I ask you to the first part of this experiment is this.
What do you think?
Second part of this experiment is this. If I am asking you to do the first part, the value of R we will be giving. The value of R will be giving, you have to calculate only R0. The first part, and this is auto, you did not do anything. This will select the values automatically. And this is V, this is current, this is voltage. This is voltage.
And the left what?
You can see here V. V means voltage. A means current. And first we have to keep how much voltage? 0.1. 0.1, if you face difficulty, what I can do, I can fix this.
Teacher, what about MV or V?
I can fix this. 0.1 volt. If I want to keep 0.1 volt,
This one.
this is 0.08. Yes. 0.1.
Yes.
Oh,
It's okay.
0.1. Don't convert milli or something, I will fix it. Now 0.1 volt. What is the current? You can write here. The next to 0.2. Fix 0.2. Just go 0.2. Write the current. 0.3. Write the current. Up to 1. This is first part.
Right, what here, teacher? Here, huh, teacher?
This is for top one. Top one. Don't touch the bottom one. Only top one. Bottom one, don't touch. Only top one. The voltage you have to adjust.
Just the voltage.
Voltage. Now you complete the part 1. Part 2 you need not do. I will give you the resistance R directly. Once you complete the part 1, you have to draw the graph. Here what you are going to calculate from the graph? Intercept, not the slope. And when you want to calculate the intercept, you should start from 0. Don't follow the regular procedure. Start from 0, go like that.